Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we only using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets because most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts. We only using one just to show you guys that this works with the minimum amount of effort. Alright guys, so if you're interested in following along, make sure to hit the links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in particular. It's because of its affiliate system. It's 80% recurring income. That means you get paid every single month once you get a sale in. As long as they stay in the system, you get paid for it. So that's why the sales for this system is much more worthwhile than anything else. All right, so this is what we're gonna do, guys. First off, we need to get you affiliate links. Oh, you know what? First, let's refresh the page and see if I got any sales. Let's do that first. Okay, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. Not a big deal at all. All right, guys, not a big deal at all. So we're gonna get, like I stated before, we're gonna get you these links right here first. And the first thing you need to do is come to my page here on my video. You just go down to the description here. You see something like step 1, do this. 25 all-in-one business. Click on income, speech, sales, whatever, right? You just click on that, and which is totally fine. You get that once you click on this, right? It's gonna take you to this page here, which explains what the $25 business is and how much money you can actually make. And once you decide you want to try it out, you just click on green button. It's gonna take you to a page where you can purchase the product here for $25. I recommend also getting the HBA Premium. That's what this is. This is the $100 commissions I've been getting. So you want to get this as well if you want to really scale up the money you can make. All right, once you do that, you want to come over. Oh, that's my Discord. You want to come over to. You're gonna get to this page here eventually. You sign in or whatever it may be. It'll show you need to make an account. Once you make your account, you sign in. You'll get to this page here. And what you want to do is click on the affiliate zone. I'm already on that page. But once you do that, you want to click on sign up for the affiliate program here. That's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. You just put in your information, very basic information, and you'll create your sound card, guys. Once you create your sound card, it's going to take you to this. It's going to take you log in the sound card right here. You just click on that. And once you do that, it's going to take you back to this page here. And that's when you get all your links, guys. And the personal link that I use the most is the all-in-one $25 business. That's the one that works for me. All right, so once you do that, guys, you're gonna go down here to step 2 and open your My Lead Gen Secrets, guys. And once you click on that, it's gonna take you to this page. And basically what My Lead Gen Secrets is you get a lot of leads that you can email once per day. They're very interested in making money online, which makes it perfect for our product. Our product is all about making money online. So once you make an account, guys, you just log in here. And like I stated before, most people have around 5 to 10 accounts of this system because it works really well, but we only using one just to show you guys this does work. All right, so we're going to go to the mailing system here. That's what you want to do. And once you get to the mailing system, you click on all of these leads that you have. You also go to we're going to go to one of my emails here. I'm gonna just go with this one here, and we just log that in. And you can copy the email if you want to. I'm gonna show you. Just pause the video and copy. Pause the video, copy. Just pause the video, copy. Boom, you're done. That's all it takes. All right, so we're just gonna hit perfect timing, and what that do, send an email around time people check email, so it's a good chance they'll check it out. And once you do that, you're just gonna send the email, and you are done. That's all it takes, guys. Get your link right here, by the way. Very simple. Just click on link right here, put it right here. All right, that's all it is to it, guys. Very simple, very easy, very quick, very knowledgeable. It doesn't take any time at all to understand this and work and make a lot of money real quick, guys. So that's all there is to it. And like I stated before, only 80% of you guys are subscribed. Not 80%, 20% of you guys are subscribed. Other 80 is not subscribed, guys. So subscribe, get these numbers up, help me out, please. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell as well, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.